Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic, how to make money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money by promoting products or services from other companies. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. First, you need to choose the right affiliate program. Some popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. To get started, sign up for an affiliate program. For example, on Amazon Associates, you can register by visiting their website and filling out the necessary information. Once you're registered, it's time to choose products to promote. Pick products that are relevant to your audience and that you genuinely believe in. Next, create content to promote these products. This can be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. Make sure to include your unique affiliate links in your content. These links track any sales made through them, ensuring you get your commission. To maximize your earnings, drive traffic to your content. Use SEO techniques, social media promotion, and email marketing to attract more viewers. Regularly analyze your performance to see which strategies are working best. Most affiliate programs provide detailed reports on your clicks, conversions, and earnings.